Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model something in Blender. I am new to Blender, so today I am going to model something in Blender. I am going to model a low poly building or bungalow, low poly bungalow. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So here is very basic simple bungalow model in Blender. I am new to Blender. I am still learning Blender. So this is very simple bungalow model in Maya, model in Blender. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because in future I will upload more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.